Latest digital trends. Google is rolling out topics-based tracking for Chrome. OpenAI to host first developer conference in San Francisco. Spotify appears to be planning free audiobook trials for subscribers. PayPal partners with Meta to enable donations on Facebook. Google's quarterly Android updates include Zoom and Webex support in cars. Zoom brings Microsoft competition concerns to regulators. WhatsApp collaborates with Star Sports to highlight power of its privacy features and content series. Google bringing $600 million investment to Mesa. ChromeOS could soon add an extra layer of privacy for your Google account. Microsoft announces Xbox digital broadcast for Tokyo Game Show. Google confirms Google sites are not ideal for SEO purposes. CTV viewing hours rise 21%. YouTube launches health content creator, AI dubbing initiatives. YouTube enables remix on short videos. Zoom unveils new AI companion features. For more digital trend, visit karanbalidi.com.